fingerprints come on you now. Let's follow Lisa. Give her life story in the grocery store.
Oh, yeah.
With her white Vans and her tan legs. And back to that smile with the bow.
Anyways.
Ooh. I'm gonna do a leap.
We're gonna watch Caitlin do a leap.
She's off. Hi.
Hello.
You put yourself in the video.
Hey.
You want to go back with your mom?
We're going back to the mom and let's get me now. And Chips Ahoy. Nope. Oh. Crap, where'd she go? Oh. Oh, okay, there she is. Bye bye.